Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of top-quality products. Today, we've got something truly exceptional for all you cooking enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of the best Damascus Chef Knives, and in particular, the NANFANG Brothers Knife Set. Let's start with a quick overview of this amazing knife set. The NANFANG Brothers Knife Set is a complete all-in-one kitchen companion. It includes not just one or two, but a total of 9 pieces of high-quality Damascus steel knives, all neatly organized in a beautiful wooden block. What sets these knives apart from the rest is their superior craftsmanship. The blades are crafted with VG10 steel core, encased in an impressive 66 layers of Damascus steel. This intricate layering process not only makes these knives stunning to look at but also enhances their cutting performance and durability. The NANFANG Brothers knives boast an official Rockwell hardness rating of HRC 60 ±2, which means they are exceptionally sharp and have excellent edge retention. You won't find yourself constantly sharpening these knives, even with regular use. One of the key features of this set is its ergonomic design. The curved handles are designed for a comfortable grip and optimal control, making it effortless to maneuver through various cutting tasks. Now, let's talk about care and storage. The set comes with a beautiful wooden knife block that not only securely holds and organizes your knives but also protects their sharp edges. The block is made from premium wood and is easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting performance. NANFANG Brothers stands behind the quality of their product. Each knife set undergoes strict quality inspection, and they offer a lifetime warranty to ensure 100% customer satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with the set, you can simply return it for a full refund. In conclusion, the NANFANG Brothers Knife Set is a true masterpiece in the world of kitchen cutlery. With its exceptional craftsmanship, superior sharpness, ergonomic design, and a lifetime warranty, it's a must-have for any home chef looking to elevate their culinary experience. That wraps up our review of the NANFANG Brothers Knife Set. If you're interested in owning one of the best Damascus Chef Knife sets on the market, this is definitely worth considering.